Welcome to the Spacelab Tools informational video. In this video, we will be looking at the screw kits on the Spacelab Tools website. These screw kits include common fasteners used for securing optical equipment to an optical breadboard or table. Each kit has 10 labeled storage compartments, making it easy to organize all your hardware. This video covers the Quarter 20 stainless steel screw kit. Other kits offered are the M6 stainless steel kit, the Quarter 20 316 stainless steel kit, and the M6 316 stainless steel kit. You can find these at www.baselabtools.com. Let's first begin with what is in a screw kit. In the Imperial screw kit, there are 6 different Quarter 20 cap screws of various lengths, ranging from 3/8 of an inch long to 1 1/2 inches long. There are 2 Quarter 20 set screws, one being 1/2 of an inch long and the other being 3/4 of an inch long. Finally, there are Quarter 20 flat washers and Quarter 20 hex nuts. The metric kit comes with all of the same corresponding size hardware with M6 threads. The kit has an informative label underneath the lid. This shows the name of each component of the screw kit as well as its size. This makes it easy for the user to find the hardware they need as well as return their hardware with ease. Now that we covered the components of the kit, let's look at examples of how the screw kit can be utilized. In this example, we have a PSH130 post holder mounted to a BAS002 base plate using a 3/8 inch Quarter 20 cap screw from the screw kit. We wish to secure this to the SAB1218 breadboard shown here. We can do so using the CLA0203 inch mounting clamp, an inch long Quarter 20 cap screw, and a flat washer. Position the base plate where you want it to be, then place the mounting clamp such that a tapped hole is aligned with the clearance slot. Next, take a Quarter 20 inch washer and a Quarter 20 inch long cap screw from the toolkit, and secure the clamp to the base using a hex key or a BD 3/16 ball driver as shown. Links to all of these products will be included in the description. Let's look at another example using this MP01 mounting plate and a CLA015 adjustable mounting clamp on a 1/4 inch thick SAB0412-S-U breadboard. For this process, we will be using 2 Quarter 20 cap screws. A 5/8 inch long screw will act as an adjustable height foot, while the inch long screw, along with the washer, will secure the mounting plate to the board. We can see how a screw kit will come in handy for scenarios like these because a thinner breadboard has less tapped hole depth, meaning that a different screw in the kit will be required depending on the thickness of the breadboard and the mounting plate. Finally, let's look at how the set screws can be used to secure a post to the breadboard. Back on our SAB1218 breadboard, let's use a 3/4 inch long Quarter 20 set screw and screw it into the PST0303 inch long post shown here. Before screwing in the set screw into the post, make sure that the end of the set screw with the hex key opening is facing outwards, so that you may unscrew it at any time. Once it is positioned correctly, tighten the set screw into place. Then, position the entire assembly where you desire, and secure it to the breadboard. In all these scenarios, we can see how different size screws and other hardware are useful to have on hand in bulk. If you wish to buy a refill package of any piece of hardware in the kit, visit www.baselabtools.com and find the right hardware for you. Thanks for watching this Spacelab Tools informational video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more informational videos like this, consider subscribing. For more information about these screw kits and other Spacelab Tool products, visit www.baselabtools.com. Link is in the description below.